Flow control valves are used in pneumatic systems to regulate the flow rate of compressed air. By controlling the flow rate, the speed of the pneumatic cylinder can also be regulated directly. In addition, a good throttling valve contributes to reducing wear due to a lower kinetic load. What is the purpose of a pneumatic control valve? Pneumatic valves play an important role in a pneumatic system. They determine how much air passes through and in which direction. This means that they can be used as control valves, but also as safety valves that shut off the air supply in dangerous situations or that depressurize the system. What is the difference between a pressure valve and a flow control valve? Pressure regulators are focused on maintaining constant pressure, whereas flow control valves are focused on maintaining a constant flow rate. The choice between them depends on the specific requirements of the system in question, such as the desired flow rate or the maximum operating pressure. The following are the primary types of pneumatic valves: pneumatic valves with two-way directional control, pneumatic valves with three-way directional control, pneumatic valves with four-way directional control, pneumatic spring offset valves.